Hey, in today's video, we're going to build this BBQ Caddy, complete with paper towel holder, separate spice area, and a generous storage area for all your condiments and beer. All right, we got our pieces cut. We have a 24¼ by 7½. We have two 13s by 7½. We have two 25-inch by 3½, and one 7½ by 3½. And essentially what we'll be working with here is something like this. It's gonna be the part of the caddy for the spices, main part of the caddy for condiments, whatnot, probably a couple of beers, and toilet paper. Maybe I should put a toilet paper, I don't know, it's gonna be barbecue, so, all right, paper towel holder is gonna go right here. All right, next up, we're gonna taper these. Now, I always get a lot of tear out with jigsaw, I am told, using like blue painter's tape over the cut line is supposed to drastically reduce, so tear out, that is. So we're going to try that out, and we're going to see how that works. Looks pretty good to me. So it did not fare so well, and the backside looks fine. Obviously not as straight as a cut as I would like, but we'll see how I can sand that down. I'll get the other one done, and next up, actually, we're going to go ahead and drill the hole for the handle. Hey, check this out right quick. According to channel analytics, 83% of people who view my videos are not subscribed. Please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button and notifications bell so you know when my new videos are coming out, and help me grow this young channel. I truly, truly appreciate it. All right, back into the build. So I bought this poplar pole. I think I was going to do some kind of closet project and use it as a, for hangers. But anyhow, it's 1¼ inch thick. And this is what I'm going to use for the handle. 1¼ inch spade bit. I got this marked down about 1¾ inch down, centered. I'm going to come in from the other side. We'll avoid a lot of the tear out. Obviously not perfect, but we'll sand that down and I think it'll look all right. So I was looking at these holes and a couple of them were a little too nasty for me. So I got a really small round over bit, sneak that inside and cut it around and see if it looks better. All right, so it did help out a little bit, but some of those deeper gouges, this one looks good. A couple deep gouges right there. Well, maybe I'll just fill those in with putty. All right, let's get to assembling. All right, I'm gonna cut this pole at 12 inches to hold the paper towels. And for the actual carry handle, 14¾ inches. I measured over 6½, and then from there 14¾ inches, which is the length of our handle. This will set the spacing for the handle supports. I'm going to set these supports in with some glue and some brad nails, and then I'm going to come in through the bottom with a countersink bit for pilot holes, and then put 2 screws in each to secure it. For these side rails, I'm going to cut a corner off of each side where the paper towel holder will be. This is just to make it look a little better. Use the level here to make sure these carrier handle supports are sitting right. I'm going to drill a pilot hole for the paper towel holder, countersink from the bottom, and use a 2.5-inch screw to secure it. I was hoping there'd be enough friction to hold this handle on, but there's not, so I'm going to add a bit of glue. And lastly, we'll get our holes filled and sanded up. All right, the glue on the handle's dried, and we're going to stain this up using briar smoke. All right, stain's all dry. We're going to throw on a little bit of a clear coat and we'll be good to go. And here it is, the BBQ Caddy, all completed. Filled it up with some of my favorite spices and basically whatever I could find in the fridge. But it's nice, it's convenient, it holds everything you need and more. And it was a real fun build.